is taking so long to go up?
Are your hands in the way though?
Ready?
Here we go. I'm so cool.
Here we go! Ah!
There was an oil there if you didn't notice.
I didn't notice that. Ow! It hurts so much! Ah, nice! Ah! Ah! Oh, nice! Oh, nice, nice, nice.
It hurts so much.
Ah, that hurt so much. Ah, still wearing my glasses.
Front row was a terrible height.
Ah, nice.
Really bad idea.
Ah, my eyeballs are like pelted.
I'm in so much pain. That was flipping terrible.
That was a really, really bad idea.
Ah,
That was really bad.
nah, they're killing me.
That was so painful.
The camera's still there, it's alright.